Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important, very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. In this video, we'll be talking about Delhi's Nizamuddin Revival Project that has won 2 UNESCO Asia Pacific Award for the Cultural Heritage Conservation 2021. I repeat, what is the name of the location? It is your, or the project, it is your Delhi's Nizamuddin Revival Project. Question can be asked, where is Nizamuddin located? It is located in the capital of India, that is Delhi. That has won 2 UNESCO Asia Pacific Award for Cultural Heritage Conservation of the year 2021. If we are talking about Delhi, you should know Delhi started a program that is your Mentor program. And who was the brand ambassador of Mentor program? He was Sonu Sood. Coming back, Delhi's Nizamuddin has won 2 UNESCO Asia Pacific Award for Cultural Heritage Conservation. As you can see here, as the picture suggests, this will be our thumbnail, and Nizamuddin Basti project won 2 UNESCO Heritage Award or Cultural Heritage Award. Where is the headquarter of UNESCO? It is in Paris. And where is Paris? Paris is in France. Nizamuddin Revival Project, that is India's project on the holistic urban revitalization of the historic Nizamuddin Basti Committee that is located in New Delhi. It has won UNESCO Asia Pacific Award for the Cultural Heritage Conservation 2021 under two categories. They are Award for Excellence and Special Recognition for the Sustainable Development. So mark these two. First award was for the award of excellence and second is for special recognition for sustainable development. These are the two awards, two UNESCO Asia Pacific Award for the cultural heritage conservation that are won by the Nizamuddin Revival Project that is located in New Delhi. If we talk about Nizamuddin Basti, the settlement around the tomb of noted Sufi saint Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia, one or who settled in New Delhi village Ghisaipur, located in the tributary of the river Yamuna, is known as the Hazrat Nizamuddin Basti. So it was in the memory of whom you can say in the noted Sufi saint Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia, who was settled in the Delhi village Ghisaipur, located near or on the tributary of the river Yamuna, that is also known as the Hazrat Nizamuddin Basti. So direct, no need to remember this much, just know where it is located. It is located in the New Delhi. Nizamuddin area comprises the Humayun's tomb. So Humayun's tomb, what is the location of Humayun tomb? It is located in New Delhi. Hazrat Nizamuddin Basti, Sundar Nursery, Batashwala Tomb Garden Complex, the tomb of courtier poet Khan I Khana, that is Rahim, and the Mughal period of Azimganj Sherai. The urban renewal project started in 2007 was undertaken by the Aga Khan Trust for Culture in partnership with the South Delhi Municipal Corporation, Archaeological Survey of India, Delhi Urban Heritage Foundation and Dargah Committee and resident groups of the Hazrat Nizamuddin Basti. If we talk about this project, the Nizamuddin Basti project has overcome the major socio-economic challenges and improved health, education, well-being, particularly for women and youth through an innovative people public private partnership model that is also known as the 3P or PPP partnership or PPP model. The project involves the meticulous restoration of over 20 historic monuments clustered around the 14th century mausoleum of the revered Sufi saint Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia. Here are the awards, and in this the thing you need to focus on is first is award of excellence that was won by Nizamuddin Basti of New Delhi, winner of award for excellence, first award, and second award was your special recognition for sustainable development that was won by Nizamuddin Basti India. So there are two awards. I repeat, Nizamuddin Basti of New Delhi has won special recognition for sustainable development, first award, and second is your award of excellence. So these are the two awards that are important and you need to know. If we talk about UNESCO Asia Pacific Award for Cultural Heritage Conservation, this UNESCO Asia Pacific Award for Cultural Heritage Conservation is annually presented to acknowledge the exemplary efforts by individuals and organizations to restore or conserve structures, places, and properties of heritage value in the region. Since 2000, the award has recognized 275 winners from 22 countries. The award winning projects will receive one bronze plaque and a certificate of recognition. Now, that was our topic, but now you should know some important 7 natural UNESCO sites of India. Alright, these are the natural UNESCO sites of India. 7 important one. First is Great Himalayan National Park. Alright, I repeat, Great Himalayan National Park Conservation Area. It was awarded this UNESCO site in 2014. Second is your Kaziranga National Park in 1985, Keoladeo National Park in 1985, Manas Wildlife Sanctuary in 1985, and Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers Sundarban National Park similarly and Western Ghat. But now my question is, where is your Kaziranga National Park located? Come on, tell me. I give you 10 seconds. What is the location of Kaziranga National Park? Simple question. Where is it located, Kaziranga National Park? It is located in Assam. Next, Colorado National Park. What is the location of Colorado National Park? Colorado National Park. Where is it located? Similarly, I am giving you 10 to 15 seconds. Come on, tell me. Where is Colorado National Park? So, where is it located? It is located in Rajasthan. Next, where is Manas Wildlife Sanctuary located? Manas Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in, come on, tell me, Manas is also located in, what is the location? Assam. Very good. Next is your Nanda Devi and Valley of Flowers, where they are located. Nanda Devi National Park. So the location of Nanda Devi National Park is Uttarakhand, as well as of Valley of Flowers. They both are located in Uttarakhand. Where is Sundarban National Park located? Sundarban National Park location. It is located in West Bengal. Gir is located in Gujarat. Alright. And tell me, which is the largest national park of India? Largest national park of India. What is the largest national park of India? Name it. Which is the national park of India located? What is the name and location? So the largest, if I say largest, and what is the difference between biggest? So the largest national park of India is Hemis National Park. And what is the location? Jammu and Kashmir. If it is given which is the biggest national park, then also the answer will be what? Biggest national park of India is Hemis National Park, and the largest is Hemis National Park. Remember it. Now, hello friends. Through our recent general aware section analysis, we have identified that the news related to mega events is finding more weightage in the competitive exams. In order to cover related news to mega events such as Olympics, national awards, cabinet appointments, all of which contain heavy information, we have chosen a different way to convey that information using interactive infographics. Here is an example of interactive infographics. Using this, you can choose to study various information just from the single PDF. If you want to talk about the medal tally of Tokyo Olympic Games, just by clicking on the image of medals, you will be able to see the information related to medals. Now, if you want to study about any of the players mentioned here, just by clicking on the image of that particular player, you will be getting the information related to that particular player. Now, you will be provided with two types of PDFs. One is your desktop version and second is your mobile version. As the name suggests, desktop version is for both PCs, laptops, and your mobile version is basically for the mobile phones and tablets. In order to use your desktop version in mobile phone, you can use the software of WAPS application in your Google Play, and you can access the desktop version of the file in the phones also. So friends, this format of presentation will help you to remember all the valuable information in an easy manner by connecting information to the related images. Our team has worked immensely hard to bring this to you, and so please do share your valuable suggestions and feedback through comments, as it will boost us to create further such initiatives. Thank you. तो फ्रेंड्स, ये थी हमारी वीडियो. अगर आपको आज हमारी वीडियो से कुछ ना कुछ सीखने को मिला है तो जल्दी से जाइए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर दें. और फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट से रिलेटेड या फिर हमारी कोई ऐप से इशू आ रहा है, कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम है, तो आप हमारी जीमेल आईडी जो कि है support@affairscloud.com या फिर हमारा नंबर 9677333862 पर कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड हमारी टीम जल्दी से जल्दी आपके इशू को रिजॉल्व करने में आपकी सहायता करेगी। सो टेक केयर।